Yeah. Let's do this, D-Rat. Asgardian signal lost out to equals. Higher power takes over their equals. Salvation and nation becomes shouldn't look Thanos, the greatest of the gods, to one end of chaos. Common or non-uncommon grounds. We're mutual, we're bonding, the violence is never found. Jones meets the aliens from Wayland to Maryland. Predators give answers to suits of their citizens. God of war, mad titan, quite frightening. You call me Elvis, I say grease lightning. Put the pencil to the paper, you bite and I'm igniting. It's quite enticing, delighting, the appetite I'm uniting. Fitting my energy, a century of simplicity. Middle-aged poet going down on the paper, now it's time to meet your maker. I am the Cape Crusader. I'm Glover, shout out to the Gibsons. Rock those guitars, man, show them how we livin'. Live long and prosper after this December. I give up the fun, man, you won't remember. Closet moto, hanging with the gargoyles. Got my hunchback like my hard boiled. All need to stop talking, cause I've been sleeping. No, I ain't creeping, just dreaming and believing. I'm a man of many pictures, doesn't mean you have to suffer. Take a seat off the puffer if your music starts to buffer. I'm a time machine, I mean a rhyme machine. Put a line in between death or you live in the dream. I'm betting you're surrendering the reverence, pretending this is the Walking Dead, Johnny Walkers are defending. Salad tosser, let's chopper, hip hop. Cash the carbs to offer the benefit of the doubt. Cause you silence my mouth, not happening again. Cause I'm causing a drought. I've heard misguided angels and seen my angle. Another tango and cash, whipping mashed potatoes. The stable had Django's horse from the cradle to the cask. Couldn't keep his horse able. Ain't no skin of legs, sticks, your small pots and pans. The solution is it, you're gonna need your scanner. I don't listen to a boss, I don't got a job. Get robbed by Rob and get high with Bob. I came from the bottom and he rose to the top and he pitched it all the way. I'm a man, I'm a dwarf, I'm a man on the wharf. Being shipped in a crate to what looks like Singapore. Even Knievel with a spin on the diesel, turning Tarantino to a film that's the old burrito. The pusher and the plunger are having rap battles. The sink gets clogged, here comes the cattle. Round them up, it's rodeo time. Time to move the herd, they know what's mine. You like fun, mine push back in time. And I'm like whiskey distilled in crime. A Harley will cue you in a second. If I ever get a motorbike sale in my record, I know one against me, no one's sleeping with me. I think like Ricky, sometimes I get busy. Then you keep occupied, are you really that bored? Let me celebrate your life with an achievement award. It's the thought that counts, so take away the picture. It's based off your memories when you're playing Twister. The shit that you snort, the pills that you pop. It used to be the weed that was taken by the cops. I didn't want what I couldn't achieve. Given the impossible, it's hard to deceive. The message delivered by the vines and withered. The snakes stay slithered while I just whispered. I am venomous, attacking little cold deformities. Dagger mouse to cutthroats in their facilities. Use my agility, think mentally, think physically. Cancel all threats so they're unvacant in proximity. I'm limpid, I'm bellin', the penguin I'm selling. No, actually, I'm not. He's a victim of his felon. Dude, the dishes you two-faced ghost face jokers. It's jokers for life, you can ask Bram Stoker. I'm so far from movies, this shit's serious. The amount of entertainment is so ridiculous. As an artist, an actor for every industry, I can see why Tech says fuck it, it's elementary.
Been an awful long time since I've been home. It's been an awful long time since I've been home. Been an awful long time since I've been home. But you won't catch me going back down there alone.
Longest nose on the street, they call me Dumbo. Columbo like Rambo, I scramble till animal shells trample. Weird Bruce from the great white north. Sources say the hunt is for sport. Red Bloodshed gets the name well-fed. I ain't a rat, but I go for the brand. The options need caution, the fusion's an illusion. It's dreamt from erosion. I bring on my enemies cause they feed my disease. Brendan beats Bruce, who got the better knees. Maybe it's Chuck, maybe it's the wannabes. It's Doggy Dog World, I'm eating animal. Someone else's stomachs call me a camel. I don't have toes, here's a sample. I have hooves, now see it get trampled. I'm not judging, I won't even try, but we all fuck up. And if we didn't, there'd be riots. It's never related, just self-educated. Families and friends being self-medicated. I'll be damned if they take me alive in this bitch. I've been going in and out, so I make the song switch. Blow shit down, blowtorch torches. Buy another coffin straight from the sources. King is in the building, he never left. Vegas, say hello to me, we're the noisy neighbors. Say hello to little friends as I bury you in crepes. Got the heat from my hip, I'm being stiff upper lip.